Hi, Claire Winslow here, showing you today an oil pastel resist. I've made another video about this quite a while ago, but here's a new one showing you some basic materials. You'll need some acrylic paint, some oil pastel, high quality oil pastels, a printout and your gel plate, and some cardstock. And as you can see, I've chosen an image here of a famous writer, Edgar Allan Poe, and I am drawing directly on my photocopy with oil pastel. I have used orange, but the color you use does not matter. This is a really fun technique, especially for very expressive portraits, but you could do this with landscapes or anything else. So all I'm doing is applying oil pastel pretty thickly to the photocopy in the dark areas. And these dark areas are going to resist your acrylic paint, which you will see in a minute. Here I switch colors to red for no particular reason other than it looks nice here, I guess, but you don't have to switch colors. And again, I'm just coloring the dark areas and I'm selecting which areas I want to color. I'm not putting a mark down for everything. And you can choose and have fun with this and be expressive. So again, I want to put on a fairly thick layer of oil pastel. It's going to be hard to draw any kind of very fine lines with this technique, so this is going to be kind of loose and almost painterly. So this takes a few minutes, and again, just select the areas you want to keep dark. Just avoid the light ones, and the high contrast printout is very helpful. So when you're choosing an image, make sure you choose one that is pretty high contrast. And I just liked his expression that was sort of sad looking, and that seems appropriate given the kind of books that he wrote. And so you can even come down into the clothes, suggest some basic clothing shapes. I liked his hair. I didn't put marks everywhere, but it was had a lot of movement in it, as do the collar and all of that. So you could put even more than just lines if you wanted to. You could make marks in the background. You could make more shading in the clothing if you wanted to. I'm just keeping it simple for the purpose of this demonstration. So it's good to make some kind of marks in the background as well. Again, I'm just using these light colored oil pastels because I can see them on the photocopy. I think we're about done here. A few more marks and we'll be ready to print. So here we're starting out with a dark color acrylic, and the usual blueberry size amount works well. You want a thin layer of paint, and you're working fairly quickly right now because you don't want this to dry yet. So make sure you do a thin layer on here, and we will turn your printout over. And you don't have to use a lot of pressure, but just make contact everywhere. And the oil pastel areas will resist the paint and leave them on the plate. And as you can see, that worked. So choose a pretty dark color to begin with if you haven't done this before. It just makes it easier to see. Later you can experiment. So now you're going to let that blue dry, that first layer. You want to make sure it's fully dry before you go any further. The next step is going to be to apply some light colored paint to contrast with your first dark layer. I'm choosing a kind of a bronzy color, but it ends up getting mixed with my red. You can feel free to be, colorful here. Use some crazy color combinations if you want to. Again, you're just doing a very thin coating of paint on top of the dried first layer. You do not want this to dry yet until you get your paper on there. So this is a brand new piece of cardstock. Oh, at the last minute I tried to do some highlights with mixed results. I stuck my finger in the paint. A piece of cardstock is going to work well here, and let that dry fully. It's going to be at least 5 minutes. And once it is fully dry, you should be able to pull everything up and have your finished image. Okay, that worked well. Not sure about those highlights, but that was fun anyway. And as you can see, you've got something here that you can keep adding to. So you can continue doing it again. You could add more oil pastel to your original printout, and you will get some of the residual, some of the leftover oil pastel will resist again, and then you can resist some new marks here. So if you want to keep printing and do another one, you could try even printing on your old ones. So there's a lot to do here.